Hi guys, so in today's video we are going to be doing a Shein haul, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how I style some of my new in pieces, especially that Valentine's Day is coming up. I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get into the video. So this is the first outfit, and I absolutely love this outfit. I love the tulle top because the tulle is super feminine and girly, and then I love the cargo skirt because it's more street and trendy right now. And then I added my Loewe Amazon dupes, and also the shoes that I have on are Shein. I don't know if I was too excited to take pictures or what, but some of my clips are completely gone. And then this is a top. This is a two-in-one top, and I love the side cut out. It gives this regular button up something nice, something different to look at. And it comes with a jeans corset top to match. I love this corset because it's actually of great quality, and I love a good two-in-one piece. And I really love the button up. I love the cutout at the side, and I love this corset because you can wear it as a corset, you can open it up, and I feel like if you're small enough, you can also wear this as a skirt. I have a big booty, but if I didn't, I'll probably wear this as a mini skirt because mini skirt or micro skirts are very much trending right now. But this is the second outfit. I wanted to give you guys new stuff, but I want to show you guys how I would incorporate them in my wardrobe already and how I would style them together. When I pick clothing out now, I actually look for pieces that can flow in my wardrobe and can wear with other things in my wardrobe, and also how I'm going to style the pieces together that I'm buying that's new. One thing I will say is I got the skirt in a small, and I should have gotten an extra small. They are super duper stretchy. And I got this top in a medium. the two-in-one top in a medium. I added my Loewe dupes in white from Amazon, and I added some thigh high, not thigh high, calf high boots also from Shein in a off-white color, and I feel like this outfit looks absolutely amazing. Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil. So I grabbed my Brandon Blackwood mini trunk in pony hair in this cow print, and I grabbed my rectangular sunglasses. The skirt is absolutely too small for me. I can't even turn around because baby, the boom dump is out. Okay? And it's super short. So I got this skirt in a large. I should have got it in the extra large, and I got the top in a medium, and the top fits amazing. I love how I style this fit. It's giving very much street and edgy. As you can see, this skirt is squeezing out my daylights, but I will say this cardigan is a knit cardigan. I got it in a medium. I definitely should have gotten it in a large. I will say I don't like how the buttons are placed. You can't actually wear this as a top. You can only wear it as a cardigan because of how far apart the buttons are placed based on the style. It has like a squiggly hemline to where the button is. Nice detail, but it's also impractical. But overall, I love the color. I love the stripes. And I just added my green JWP bag. And then I'm going to go in with my black Loewe dupe sunglasses. I love these glasses, as you guys can see. And then I'm going to go in with my Steve Madden pink satin heels. I love these also. And I feel like this is a great look. I'm definitely going to get these skirt again, but get them in a bigger size because I feel like they can be a very nice addition to my wardrobe. And this is the look. So you guys know I am a gym girly now, so I had to add some new gym stuff since it's a new year and I lost a bunch of weight. All my gym clothes are pretty much too big for me, and I love getting gym stuff from Shein. This sports bra comes in a pack of 3, which I love. And then these tie-dye leggings, I wear them all the time. If you guys follow me, I just got it some new ones that are my size because the ones that I had before were large and they're too big. But I love that they come in a pack of 3. I love a good bang for my buck, and I wear these all the time. And I absolutely love the sports bra. I've ran in it, I did heavyweight training in it, and it's definitely held up. So these leggings come in a pack of 4. I will say that the black ones are definitely not squat proof. I Yeah, they're not squat proof. So I would probably use these for cardio with a big shirt over it or something. And then we have the infamous BBL jacket. I got this in a medium and I should have gotten this in a small. I will say it's super stretchy so you can size down. And I just have the same sports bra on that I had in the previous clip. And I love the fact that this actually have thumb holes. So if you live in a colder climate, you can have your thumb holes out and you're set to go to the gym while still being warm and looking cute. This is the last and final look. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.